Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-winning artist Shaggy made his debut last night as Sebastian during the Little Mermaid Live. During the show, Shaggy performed a rendition of Under the Sea.
Under the sea, under the sea.
The Little Mermaid Live also stars Queen Latifah as Ursula, John Stamos as Chief Louise, and Graham Phillips as Prince Eric. The live musical event featured songs from the original movie and the Broadway production, including Part of Your World and Poor Unfortunate Souls. Grammy-nominated reggae artist Protégé has released a new rhythm dubbed Rock and Groove under his Indignation Collective. The all-female juggling rhythm features songs from Savannah, Naomi Cohen, Jazz Elise, and Lila Ike. The rhythm was produced by Protégé and chart-topping producer J Vibe and showcases upcoming female talent, celebrating the unique voices of women and the value of sisterhood in the industry. It brings forth their message of love, inspiration, self-confidence, and the protection of energy. The songs on the rhythm were released on Sunday at the first ever New Wave block party.
Do you see how I'm falling? See how I'm stalling? Don't you feel so nice, so nice, so nice? When I get your vibe, I feel so right. When I'm not around, I close my eyes and fantasize.
The ladies were proud that they represented for female solidarity and outlined the inspiration for each of their songs.
My song in particular talks about bad energy and how it influences us without us really recognizing. So it's encouraging you to kind of think, be more mindful, not to be as easily swayed, not to really just go with the flow, but to really think about your decisions.
Greetings, my name is Jazz Elise and my song is Rock and Groove, title track of the Rock and Groove rhythm by Protégé and J Vibe. And this song is really just about, it's self-explanatory, it's rocking and grooving. Every Sunday, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you're feeling good vibrations.
I don't know, Lila Ike. My song is called Sweet Inspiration. Now, Sweet Inspiration is a song I wrote actually when I felt like I was in a quote-unquote writer's block. I just didn't feel inspired and I was like, so I need to really find a way to harness the energy there. So when I say, when you speak to me, I hear a song. Every word you say feels like a poem. But really, I talk to the Most High because inspiration to me, I will drive all the way. You have to be inspired to get up out of bed.
New Wave principal Lindsay Ladenkwe is happy with the success of the Rock and Groove rhythm launch.
It is absolutely crazy. I am totally overwhelmed by the vibes that are here. I mean, we're supposed to end at 11. It's like pretty much 11 now and people are raving like it is 9 o'clock. But yeah, man, crazy vibes.
New Wave is a platform aimed at showcasing creatives in film, literature, music, art, fashion, and culture. Girl power. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.